Little shorty. We're waiting to get on an invisible hand job. He's got a party on it. When I was passing by, I asked if anyone's in line and they said no. And then I said, well, all right, we're gonna go over here and do some stuff and then we're gonna go get on invisible. And like, I don't know. Can't really save spot, but if they're respectful, that would be neat. I'd be into that.
Well, yeah, I heard you say something about drinking your water. You guys were trying to invisible. Oh, you never asked that.
I mean, I'm not gonna be mad if they get on it, if we're not there.
I didn't know what that was. But I assumed it's something like that. Don't you bubble up? I'm right below it.
This route's great. This route's super fun.
Ooh, that's a long reach.
This man right here is Patrick Becerra of Detroit Climbing School.
JohnOutdoorVideos, like and subscribe.
DetroitClimbingSchool.com.
Oh, that website's down.
Is it down?
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy the domain and...
I still own the domain. I just stopped paying for Squarespace to host.
Oh, okay.
$25 a month, and I'm not doing much guiding right now, so it's not worth it.
Squarespace, sponsor us.
Nice job, buddy.
Big old feet.
I got one of your draws. I wonder if you have one of mine.
Welcome. Can you tell by the year or something?
No, the draw had the beaners on them. I don't have pencil beaners on any of mine.
Are you climbing this one, Joel?
I'll try again.
That's rock climbing right there. That end is not a freebie. You don't get a coupon.
Okay, Joel, you can pick.
This. All right, Matt, take.